Hey guys, in this video today I will show you about Appnext advertising platform. So some of us might be wondering whether this Appnext is really paying, what is the ECPM, and how long does it take for the payment. I've been joining this Appnext for the past 2 months, and uh, after getting my first payment, I would like to show to you all guys the step and the procedure that I came across. And now let's go to the Appnext platform before uh, and I will show you some of my earning, my ECPM as well. And here I integrate one of my apps, and here is my earning for this month till now. And uh, here let's go ahead and check what is my ECPM for the past month as well. So here my today earning is $1.36 as of now, and my ECPM is 0.38, which is a really high ECPM comparing to my previous advertising platform, which is Start App. So and before I joined Start App, and in that Start App, something like 0.05, that was my CPM. So it was so too low for me. So I try out Appnext, and now it works out for me. And let's go to my previous month, last month earnings. So last month my total click was 72,000 and my earning $75, and my ECPM 0.25. This is also low, however, but it's much higher than my previous, so I'm quite satisfied comparing to my previous platform. And talking about payments, so Appnext, they will make a payment after their payment terms is net 30 days, so which means that after you complete your earning, after the invoice is received, after 30 days a payment will be met. But for my first payment, it do not take 30 days. Actually, it takes around 35 to 40 days because Appnext have a payment cycle, like payment cycle for PayPal, and like a transfer, they have days, they have a payment cycle. And for me, I'm using PayPal. So my previous month, not this, my previous month earning, which will be on the month back on the month of May and June. So my earning on the April and May, I mean April and May earning. So here you can go ahead and check uh, here the transaction. It did not show any transaction, however I already received the payment, and I will show you. First I will go to the email. So my first email, and I sent my invoice, my invoice. Just, so these are the invoice that I sent to the Appnext, and I will show you how you can also make invoice. Okay, so this is for July, not this one. I'm looking for the previous month. Yes, this is it. So this is my first invoice. So the invoice, you can get it by requesting to their email in payment at appnext.com. You can request them, and you can ask for the demo, for the invoice template, the invoice template. So this is it, and here you have to mention your name and this is their address. Their address, you have to mention the correct address. So once you send a message the to their payments email, so they will automatically send you the address, every information you will they will send to you. So this is their address, and here this is my earning for the month of April, and this is for the month of May. I input them, and here I'm select the payment for PayPal, and I enter my PayPal email, and this is the due date, and this is the total amount sum, and also this is the date that I sent the invoice. And after I sent on the June 1st, and I received my payment on here. This is my PayPal account. So this is $73.02 I received on 10 July. So which means it takes 40 days for me for my, and this is the $73.02. This is received from Pay Appnext. So it's quite easy, and let me show you another thing. And I would like to inform that this is not a self click. My app is not it's not a self click, and I I do not recommend any kind of proxy or any kind of uh, this self click, because if the app next finds, it may lead to termination of the account as well. So in 1 month, my app is performing well. However, comparing to Google's, yes, it's quite low. However, still, comparing to my previous startup, for me, it's quite good. So I'm quite satisfied with this. And I already sent my invoice for the second time. So when I receive the payment, I will also share with you guys. So today this is just a short video that I want to share with you regarding my first payment from Appnext. So if you want to, if you have any questions, like, you can also ask in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer if I know the answer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.